Zoom to 125%, down 1. January through December right. Select row data. Fill that with yellow. Center that. Select down 1. Create all borders. Copy that. Select cell alpha 5 through cell alpha 6. Paste format. Cap total. Cell alpha 1. Caps on profit open paren thousands close paren. Select to cell Lima 1. Merge and center that. Set size 14. Select cell alpha 3 through cell Lima 3. Format that currency. And select cell alpha 6. Sum that. Cell alpha 3. 14.2. Tab. 14.6. Tab. 14.3. Tab. 15.8. Tab. 16.2. Tab. 17.1. Tab. 17.0. Tab. 19.6. Tab. 23.5. Tab. 26.8. Tab. 29.7. Tab. 34.9. Select to cell alpha 2. Create line chart. Change to 3D pie chart. Hide legend. Explode chart 10%. Rotate chart